Attention general contractors. Welcome to an insight into one simple bidding software. BidGenius, the bridge, from problems to solution. As a general contractor, you engage in the bidding process regularly. Completing the basic steps involved in the bidding process in a sequential and timely manner is of utmost importance, since that could make the difference between winning and losing the bid. To succeed in today's rapidly changing world, you need a business strategy. What is your business strategy for success? How will you ensure that you stay ahead of your competition?
Still using the traditional methods? Stop executing your old success formula. Switch to BidGenius, the leading bid solicitation software, which assists you in every stage of the bidding process, to give you a competitive edge and achieve success.
Let's look at how BidGenius can assist you during the bidding process. The first step in the bidding process is coming up with the specifications and details of the job. The specifications can be provided as an attachment with the invitation to bid or made available online on the plan room. Also generate and fax or email the bid bond request to the bonding company. After the details of the project have been developed, the next step involves sending out invitations to bid, posting the opportunity online, or inviting pre-selected list of subcontractors. BidGenius can help you in all these situations.
Are you wondering how to target the precise vendors? Is the process of inviting vendors stressing you out? Overloaded with work?
Try BidGenius. Not only does BidGenius help you maintain your personalized vendor database, but you can also target the right set of vendors based on a powerful 5-tier filtering criteria. Filter vendors by trade, groups that they belong to, geographic areas they are ready to work in, and city where they are located. You can also filter vendors within a specified radius from a zip code or vendors who would be ready to travel to the job site. The powerful and effective filtering system helps you identify and target the right set of vendors for a job by sending them invitations to bid by both fax and email. Online sharing of plans and specifications is a necessity in the era of technology. BidGenius offers a free online plan room where you can upload plans and specifications for sharing with the vendors. Additionally, you can selectively post jobs on your own current bid opportunity page. This page can be linked on your website. It can be automatically linked to all your job pages if you so desire. Inviting pre-selected vendors is a breeze using BidGenius. Import complete bidders list from a previous project and invite immediately. Receive vendor responses to the invitation. Your target is to have maximum vendors respond to your invitation. The more positive responses you receive, the more competitive bids you are likely to receive. BidGenius reaches out by both fax and email. The emails have response button within the email body, ensuring that your vendors can respond even from their smartphones. What follows is monitoring the responses and following up with vendors, which is an important step in the bidding process. Tracking and analysis reports help identify the non-responded vendors. Email and fax broadcasts provide a quick and easy follow-up method. Send addenda, transmittals, and reminders to response-specific group of vendors. Next begins the process of receiving proposals. The deadline on when the last bids will be accepted can be communicated on the project homepage on your plan room and can be included in the invitation sent to the vendors. As the proposals are received, the total amounts submitted can be plugged into BidGenius along with any alternates and unit prices. Broadcasting bid due date changes, scope changes or any other information, and following up with vendors for submission of proposals is a one-click solution in BidGenius. Reviewing received proposals. The length of time that it takes to review the proposals could vary, depending on the number of proposals received. BidGenius offers speed, accuracy and consistency in review of proposals and preparation of the final bid estimate. Awarding the contract. After the bids have been thoroughly reviewed, the contract needs to be awarded. Instead of the lowest bidder, you may be inclined to go with a more reputable provider or with those where a prior relationship exists. Either way, you have full flexibility in deciding who to award the work to. The information to which vendor the work has been awarded, the date of signing the contract, and insurance information can be stored in BidGenius. As you can see, BidGenius is a complete solution from bid solicitation to preparation of the final bid estimate. With informative analysis and tracking reports to help you along the way, BidGenius can be your path to success. Here's what some of our customers have to say about us. Marbridge Enterprises says,
"We have been impressed with your program BidGenius and even more impressed with your service."
JPR Mechanical says,
"The program is easy to use, effective, and most of all keeps things very organized. I would highly recommend this program, on top of outstanding customer service. BidGenius is the complete package."
Our prompt and courteous customer service is appreciated by Pacific Construction.
"In the 30-plus years I have been doing estimating, never have I come across such outstanding customer service."
Nooney Construction appreciates the continuous upgrading of BidGenius by saying,
"You guys are the best in incorporating many of our suggestions into BidGenius program."
We are extremely pleased with BidGenius and highly recommend it to anyone who wants to do away with the headaches of the bidding process.
Says the chief estimator at Paul Borg Construction.
"It has shortened my ITB processing time considerably. BidGenius is great,"
says Bleecker Vigesa. This is what Jenkins and Stiles has to say about BidGenius.
"I am very happy with the BidGenius system and intend to continue to use the system in the future. Please consider BidGenius as your tool to effectively manage your construction bid needs."
Roundhill Construction thinks,
"The ease of use and the simplicity of the program itself are a wonder. It's intuitive to use. We can get someone up and running in an hour, sending invites and logging responses."
The estimator at Pacific Construction says, "I am extremely pleased with BidGenius. It definitely has reduced the time spent on bid invites and addenda notices, and has steadily increased subcontractor bid intent responses with each project."
BidGenius has definitely helped make the bid process more efficient and effective.
Feels CBD Companies. Baker Construction appreciates the program as well as the customer service.
"The program is quite easy to learn and use, and the customer support is the best that I have ever experienced from a software company. I would highly recommend BidGenius to any company that would like to streamline the bidding process and save both time and money while tracking bid results."
Contact us to see a demonstration of BidGenius. Call 847-874-7192, or email contact@bidgenius.com.